She is from Meitei community, 10 plus 2, preparing for low cities, and she aims to become a police officer. Achievements: gold and silver medalist in National Friendship Championship. She dreams big. She believes that in order to succeed, desire for success should be greater than fear or failure. She aims to represent the country and various cultures and tradition at the international platform. Ladies and gentlemen, contestant number 1, Daniel Compton.
Presenting to you Miss Alice Sokwung now. She's 21 years old. Her hobby is reading novels and gardening. She belongs to a Nangko community. She graduated from DM College of Arts, and her aim in life is to become a teacher. Miss Alice Sokwung now, contestant number 2. She loves being herself. She's a humorous and with a very positive attitude. She's here to grasp the opportunity offered to all the willing women of Manipur.
Contestant number 3, Miss Thongchen Shangman. She is 20 years of age. She loves reading and cooking. She is from Anal community. She is undergraduate at St. Mary's College of Shillong. She loves to call herself a proud feminist and hope to contribute as much support as she can to feminism. Ladies and gentlemen, contestant number 3, Miss Thongchen Shangman. For contestant number 5, Miss A.R. Muffing, who is 22 years of age. She loves writing poems, playing ukulele, cooking. She is from
She's of the age 18. Her hobby is playing guitar and reading novels. She belongs to Rongmei community. Her qualification is 10 plus 2 from Tiny Tot School, Imphal. of 6 gold members. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for contestant number 6, Miss Chu Joyce Riambert. Contestant number 8, Miss C.H. Chan Sophie. She is of the age 21, sweet 21. Her hobby is dancing and traveling. She belongs to Tangkol community. She is a graduate from Morton College, Imphal.
Veronica Owanshi!
Contestant number 13, Veronica Owanshi.
President of Tangkol Shinalmo, Tangkol Women League, respectable Ma'am Grace Shatang will do the honor of crowning the title winner, Veronica Owanshi. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, please give a big round of applause for the title winner. To be taken away by the winner is 2 lakhs plus additional 1,000, which will be shared among the contestants. And also, yes, some amount will be reserved from this 1 lakh for the next Miss Spring 2019. President Grace Sutton will give away the prize money of rupees 2 lakhs. We will now felicitate the remaining 13 beautiful ladies with a bouquet and gift hampers. Thank you for your participation. You have actually achieved a lot by taking part in the first ever edition of Miss Spring 2018.
Congratulations to all the contestants of Miss Spring 2018. Your last walk on the ramp and bid farewell. Thank you once again to all the beautiful 13 ladies standing behind. You may take